What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect a domain name, whether if it's an existing domain name that you own or like buy a new domain name for your Wix website. So let's get right to it. First of all, here I'm on my Wix dashboard, and here are my sites that I created with Wix. So let's choose, for example, let's click on this one, select site, and that'll get you to your website dashboard. Now here from the menu on the left here, you have settings, so you click on settings right here. Okay, now you have your general settings. Now what you want to do here is to go to, you have domains here, you have the option to connect, manage, and edit your website's domains. So click on domains here, and here you have the option to connect a domain. So let's say you want to search for like .com domain, so you click on .com to search for, let's say, how to simple.com. Okay, let's go. And now it is taken. So if it is taken, if it already purchased this domain name, if it's you who purchased it from like a service like GoDaddy or Hostinger, stuff like that, click on yes, I own this domain. So here you need to of course upgrade to your plan, so you cannot do this on the free plan. For the free plan you are like given a domain name, like your website's name that you enter, of course following the URL of Wix. So you need to upgrade to connect a domain name. However, here if you go to a service like Hostinger, for example, which I recommend, which can give you like up to 79% of hosting and a free website builder, for free domain, free website migration, and so on, you can get this for as low as $249 a month. So if you did buy a domain name from here, from Hostinger or like GoDaddy or other services. However, one of the best like platforms out there to buy a domain name for a cheaper price, since it can get pretty pricey and you still have to pay for the Wix subscription and so on. So using a service like Hostinger that offers like domain names and website hostings for as low as $249 a month is a great way to start your business, because you do not have to like pay a large sum of money, especially if you are just starting your business and you do not want to pay a lot to have your website on and going. So here, as I told you, they have some plans. So they have the premium, the business, and the cloud startup plan. Of course, you can view the benefits of each plan to decide which best for you if you decide to use this platform. However, you do not have to do so. You can buy your domain name from other providers. As I told you, there are many providers to buy your domain name from. And once you do so and like confirm that you own this domain name purchased from any like provider, you are asked to sign in from within the Wix website to your account on this domain provider, and then to be able to edit all the settings to connect the domain name to your Wix website. You can go and like enter the domain name here and then click on it to continue the setup. However, if it's not your domain, if you haven't purchased this domain name, so let's search, for example, for how to simple, like some random numbers, then let's go. Okay, now this one is available, so let's click on get it. So if you click on get it, you will be asked to purchase this domain name. So here you need to upgrade your subscription to get it for free. If you like subscribe to a yearly plan, you get a free domain voucher, so you can upgrade now, or you can still buy this domain now and decide to upgrade later. So for this video, let's say buy this now, and you will have this pop up with the domain purchase. So for this domain, you can buy it for 1 year, for 2 years, or for 3 years. Here you have the pricing. So if I decide to buy it for 2 years, that'll be like $16.35 per year, and the total price will be $39.70. So I can click to continue here to buy it if I want to. And here I can enter my information, like, and my country, my postal code, and so on. And then here the privacy, and then check out to like finish buying this domain name. And if I click here to upgrade now, I'm redirected to like a new pop-up right here, where I can select a Wix like plan to upgrade to and get the free domain voucher. So here you have many plans that you can use to upgrade to. However, let's close this pop-up for now. So let's close this one as well. Okay, now let's try like .tech, for example, a .tech domain. Okay, let's try how to simple .tech. Okay, seems this domain name is available, so click on get it. You get the same options. So if I decide to buy it, let's see if the prices are any different. Okay, this domain name costs higher than the .com one. Okay, because maybe it doesn't like have these random like digits. So here you have the same procedure to continue, enter your information, and then continue to buy it. And once you do so, you'll be able to like adjust like the setting, match the settings, change the DNS settings for the domain name to link them and have it for your website. Now, let's go back to settings right here and then go to the website name, like website settings. And here, as you can see, URL, the site URL is like a URL generated by Wix, followed by your website. So if I change the name, for example, to how to simple, okay, this is the name for my website. I can like change it here as well to how to simple. Okay. And this is what I get for the free plan. So a like custom domain name, I need to upgrade my plan or to purchase it. So here I get like the Wix URL followed by my website. And if I want to like connect my domain name, just click here to upgrade now, to upgrade to a Wix paid plan, to be able to like buy domain names through Wix or connect the domain name that you bought through Hostinger or another provider to your Wix website. So that was how easy it is to connect a domain name or buy a domain name through Wix or connect the domain name that you bought from an external provider to your Wix website.